Welcome aboard, fellow navigators. You're watching Crypto Navigator, and if you haven't yet, make sure to click that subscribe button for weekly insights into cryptocurrency. Stay ahead of the market with us. Today's topic is very interesting, so let's get started. What is Binance Coin? Binance Coin, BNB, is the cryptocurrency of Binance, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. The coin was designed to facilitate the trading process on Binance. BNB was initially issued as an ERC20 token on the Ethereum platform, but has since migrated to BNB's own blockchain. The original total supply of BNB was set at 200,000 coins, but through regular coin burn events, the burning or destruction of coins to remove them from circulation, the supply gradually decreases, helping to maintain the coin's value stability. Like any cryptocurrency, Binance Coin has its own distinctive features. Below are the top 5. On native token, BNB is the native coin of Binance, specifically designed for use on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. 2. Transaction fees. Holders of the coin can use BNB to pay fees for trading on Binance, resulting in lower trading and transaction costs. 3. Buyback and burn policy. Binance has announced that it will use 20% of its profits annually to repurchase BNB and then destroy them. 3. This reduces the total supply and has the potential to increase the value of Binance Coin. 4. Diverse applications. In addition to paying transaction fees on Binance, BNB users can also benefit from offers and discounts on the platform. 4. BNB is increasingly accepted as a means of payment by various merchants and platforms. 5. Growing support. Binance continues to expand as a cryptocurrency exchange, contributing to the popularity and eventual value of Binance Coin. How does Binance Coin work? Binance Coin, BNB, is a cryptocurrency that uses smart contracts to govern the issuance, trading, and movement of tokens, ensuring the security and transparency of transactions. The coin operates on the Binance chain, Binance's proprietary blockchain designed for fast and efficient transactions. The platform employs a delegated proof-of-stake (DPoS) consensus algorithm, making it work quickly and efficiently with generally few issues. The technology behind BNB. The technology behind Binance Coin includes a decentralized application, DApp, that provides access to various financial services such as cryptocurrency trading and funding new projects. The Binance Chain is a proprietary blockchain network developed by Binance specifically designed for trading cryptocurrencies. BNB is one of the key tokens on this network. Binance DEX is a decentralized exchange that uses Binance Chain and Binance Coin to trade cryptocurrencies. Applications of Binance Coin. Binance Coin is a versatile cryptocurrency token with multiple applications. Firstly, it can be used to trade cryptocurrency pairs on Binance DEX, a decentralized exchange that operates on Binance Chain. This makes Binance Coin a significant player in cryptocurrency trading. Furthermore, the token supports crypto staking, where users can lock up their tokens and earn rewards by participating in network security. Binance Coin also provides access to various financial services, including loans and insurance coverage. Finally, the token can be used to fund projects through initial coin offerings, ICOs, and other crowdfunding methods. This demonstrates that BNB is a versatile token with many practical use cases. Within the Binance ecosystem, BNB is primarily used as a utility token that provides users with discounts when paying their trading fees. Additionally, the fee structure changes based on trading volume, 30 days, and account level. The Binance Coin ecosystem. The Binance Coin ecosystem operates on the Binance platform. It is designed to offer various types of financial services, including cryptocurrency trading, funding new projects, and integrating new businesses into the platform. The Binance Coin ecosystem consists of several components. 1. Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange, the main platform where Binance Coin is used for various services, such as buying and selling cryptocurrencies, processing trade discounts, and discounts on various products and services. 2. Binance Launchpad, a platform where new projects are launched and investors can participate in initial coin offerings, ICOs, and other cryptocurrency investment opportunities. A Binance Academy, an educational website providing information about cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. 4. Binance Charity Foundation, a nonprofit organization focused on improving the lives of people in need through education, health, and disaster relief. 5. Binance Research, an independent research agency conducting in-depth research on cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects. These are some of the key components of the Binance Coin ecosystem that work together to provide users with various DeFi options and opportunities within the platform. This is your captain signing off. If you enjoyed our crypto journey today, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us again for more updates. Thanks for watching, and keep navigating towards success.